Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Chronicles. I'm so excited to chat about today's topic.
Me too. The kitchen is truly the heart of the home.
Absolutely, and having the right cabinets can make such a huge difference.
Totally. I've been obsessing over kitchen cabinets lately.
Oh, really? Tell me more.
Well, I realized that stylish cabinets aren't just about looks, they offer incredible storage solutions.
Functionality meets fashion.
Exactly. There's nothing worse than a cluttered kitchen where you can't find anything.
Ugh, been there. I once lost my favorite spatula for weeks
No way. Where was it hiding?
in the abyss of my corner cabinet,
Laughs. Those corner cabinets are like black holes.
right? I swear they consume everything.
But with clever corner units, you can really maximize that space.
Ooh, like those pull out shelving units?
Yes, and Lazy Susans too. They spin around and make everything accessible.
That's genius. I always thought Lazy Susans were just for dining tables.
Me too, until I saw one in a friend's kitchen.
Mind blown.
Totally. And they're not just practical, but can be super stylish.
I guess so, but sometimes I worry people focus too much on style over function.
Interesting point. But can't we have both?
In an ideal world, yes, but I've seen open shelving that looks great but collects dust like nobody's business.
Oh, I feel you. Dusting is not my favorite chore.
Same here. And let's be honest, not everyone has picture perfect dishes to display.
True, my mismatched mugs aren't exactly Instagram worthy.
Laughs. Mine either. Maybe closed cabinets are our friends.
Agreed. But I've been tempted by those sleek, open shelves.
Me too. They do add a modern flair.
Exactly. Maybe a mix of both could work?
Now that's a thought. Best of both worlds.
Uh huh. Display your nice pieces and hide the chaos behind closed doors.
Love it. But what about those pull out drawers you mentioned earlier?
Oh, yes, they're a game changer, especially in small kitchens.
Tell me more.
Well, instead of bending over and digging through cabinets, you just slide out the drawer,
That sounds heavenly. My back would appreciate that.
right? It makes cooking so much more enjoyable.
Absolutely. And they help you see everything at a glance.
Exactly. No more expired cans hiding in the back.
Laughs. Guilty as charged.
Same here. And what do you think about pantry cabinets?
I'm obsessed with them. It's like having a mini supermarket at home.
Yes. And they can be so organized.
I love those ones with clear containers and labels.
Oh my gosh, yes! It's so satisfying.
But let's be real, who has time to decant everything?
A good point. It looks nice, but can be a lot of work.
Maybe we can find a happy medium.
Agreed. Perhaps just for the most used items.
That's sensible. And you mentioned earlier about space constraints?
Yeah, not everyone has room for a big pantry cabinet.
True, but there are slim designs that fit into small spaces.
Really? Like what?
Well, there are these tall, narrow pull-out pantries that fit between appliances.
Oh, like those little slide-out towers?
Exactly. They use vertical space so efficiently.
I need one of those in my life.
Me too. They're brilliant for small kitchens.
But do you think they're sturdy enough?
Good question. The quality can vary, so it's worth investing in a good one.
True? Sometimes you get what you pay for?
Exactly. But even on a budget, there are options.
That's reassuring. Renovations can get so expensive,
Tell me about it, but small upgrades can make a big difference.
like swapping out cabinet handles.
Yes, or adding under cabinet lighting,
Oh, that can really elevate the space.
right? And it's functional too.
Definitely helps when chopping veggies at night.
Safety first.
Laughs. So, are you planning any kitchen updates?
Maybe. I'm considering those pull out drawers.
Go for it. You won't regret it.
I just might. And maybe a lazy Susan for the corner.
Perfect combo.
But I'm still on the fence about open shelving.
Well, you could start small. Maybe one shelf?
That's a good idea. Dip my toes in.
Exactly. See how it feels.
This chat has been super helpful.
Glad to hear it. I love geeking out over kitchen stuff.
Me too. Who knew cabinets could be so exciting?
Laughs, right? It's the little things.
Indeed. Any other tips for maximizing kitchen space?
Have you heard of toe kick drawers?
To what now?
Toe kick drawers. They utilize the space beneath your cabinets.
No way. I didn't even know that was possible.
Yes, great for storing baking sheets and small items.
Mind blown again.
Laughs. Happy to share the knowledge.
You're full of surprises today.
I try. Anything to make kitchen life easier.
Well, mission accomplished.
Awesome. So, ready to start your kitchen makeover?
One step at a time, but I'm feeling inspired.
That's the spirit.
Thanks for all the great ideas.
Anytime. Can't wait to hear how it goes.
I'll keep you posted.
Please do.
Cool. Well, this has been a fantastic chat.
It really has. I always enjoy our Kitchen Chronicles sessions.
Same here. Looking forward to the next one.
Me too. Until then, happy organizing.
Thanks. You too.
Take care.
You as well.